No puedo con Juan. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, sure. No puedo con Juan. How's it going, y'all?
You know, hanging.
So we get up. ¿Cómo te queda atorado? Oh, what happened? Man, what's happening? She said it'll resume immediately. Está moviéndose. Oh!
What?
Oh! ¿Qué carajo está pasando? Ay, Dios mío. Hi, bestie. Try again, he said. So cosmic average we're gonna get. Muévete. Let us be lost. Whoa, that was amazing.
Look, it's Glinda.
Can you hold this for me? Thank you. Oh my god, so cool. It's okay. Anywho, I'm done. We're leaving. It's literally like 12:38 p.m. We came here at what, like 8-ish? We did many things. We wrote many things, so it's okay. Come over here. I feel like you haven't been in many of my videos. You should introduce yourself.
My name is...
Anyway, we're leaving. I'm kidding. Introduce yourself. My
name is Tarzan.
Anyway, we met working at Spirit Airlines and that beautiful place. So yeah. You can turn it on.